In this video, I'll guide you through how to get a direct deposit payment from Bill.com. Whether you're setting this up for the first time or just need a refresher, I'm here to make the process as straightforward as possible. With just a few simple steps, you'll have your payments set up to go directly into your bank account, saving you time and giving you peace of mind. First, let's start by locating the 8-digit code you'll need. This code is printed directly on your physical check stub. If you're not sure where to find it, look at the top or bottom of the check stub. It should be clearly labeled. This code is crucial because it links the payment to your specific account, ensuring that everything is processed smoothly. Once you have your 8-digit code in hand, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, open up your web browser and navigate to bill.com/epay. This is the dedicated web page where you'll set up your direct deposit. Once the page loads, you'll see a space to enter your check code. Go ahead and type in that 8-digit number you found on your check stub. Double check that it's correct, as even a small typo can cause delays in setting up your direct deposit. Once you're sure everything is accurate, click on the button that says Get Started. Next, it's time to input your banking information. You'll need to provide both your bank routing number and your account number. These numbers are typically found at the bottom of your checks or within your online banking portal. The routing number is a 9-digit code that identifies your bank, while your account number is unique to your specific account. Make sure you enter these numbers carefully to avoid any errors. By inputting this information, you're authorizing Bill.com to send your payments directly to your bank account, eliminating the need for physical checks. Once you've entered your banking details, you're all set. From now on, any payments from this client will automatically be routed as a paperless direct deposit directly into your account. This means no more waiting for checks to arrive in the mail and no need to visit the bank to deposit them. It's a convenient and efficient way to receive your payments, ensuring they're processed quickly and securely. And there you have it. You've successfully set up direct deposit payments from Bill.com. This simple guide has shown you how to seamlessly link your payment process, making it easier and faster to access your funds. Remember, if you ever need to update your banking information or have any questions, you can always revisit the Bill.com website for assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides like this one. Have a great day and enjoy the convenience of your new direct deposit setup.